Alright, so welcome to the second video, and inside I want to show you how I'm going to walk you through how you can make money on WarriorPlus. Yes, how you can make money on WarriorPlus. Now you can see I'm logged into my WarriorPlus account. This is my name, John Anavi. So now I'm logged into my account, and now you can see right here, you can see the dashboard area. So how you can make money on WarriorPlus is just two ways. Yes, only two ways. Remember I said you can actually on WarriorPlus you can buy products and you can sell digital products. So now for you to make money as a newbie or as a marketer on WarriorPlus, there are just two ways you can make money. Number one is to be a vendor as a seller, or to be a promoter, or that is an affiliate. Now what that means is simple. Number one, as a vendor, you sell your own products. Yes, you sell your own digital product. It could be a course, it could be an ebook, it could be a training, it could be a software, an application, or it could be a kind of a webinar, whatever. You can come to WarriorPlus and then you list your service or your product for sale, and people are going to come and buy right there. Or also you can be an affiliate. An affiliate means like a promoter, someone going to promote, a marketer. You sign up on this platform and then you promote other people's products. You promote other sellers' products while you earn commission on this platform. So that's just it. Very simple. Right there, you can see here. This is as at today. These are the products, as are the top 10 products that are selling right now on WarriorPlus. You can see this is auto profit sites, and it's the current deal of the day. The product that is selling fast today. This is Profitorial by Jason Web Media, and then this is Pizza Money. I'm actually promoting this now. Now this is Pizza Money, and I'm actually an affiliate to this product. That is, I'm promoting the product as well. So if I open this product for you right now, this product launched about, I think about on Thursday. That's about 4 days ago or 3 days ago. So let me check it out and open this product for you. You can see 33 down. So if I come over to his profile, this is the person selling the product. This is the seller of the product. That's the name of the seller of this product, Ben Atkins, and you can see he has done over 17,000 sales. So this is his last product which he has sold, Pizza Money, and he has done over 1,000 sales, 1,000 unit sales, and he's selling the product for $27. Now if you convert this to naira, this is over $27,000. This is over 10 million naira he has made just last 3 days. 10 million naira he has generated just selling this product, Pizza Money. So you can see how profitable this kind of business is. So that's what you need to do. Number one, you can make money on WarriorPlus by selling your own products as a vendor, or number two, by promoting other people's products while you earn affiliate commission. Here is how they actually mention about vendors on WarriorPlus. On WarriorPlus offers everything you need to generate sales, deliver your products, and even manage a management system that makes selling your products easier than ever. You can set up an auto delivery system, your sales funnel, and more from an easy to use interface. So on this WarriorPlus, as a vendor, everything is done for you. You only just go and generate the products you want to sell. Maybe it's an ebook or a training course or a software. Just go and produce it, go and create it, go and make it, then come to WarriorPlus and list it while you start making a hell of money. So number two ways to make money as an affiliate. You can make money as an affiliate on WarriorPlus. If you don't have a product to create, you don't know how to create a software, you don't know how to create an ebook, you don't know how to write, you don't have the time to write an ebook, you don't have you can speak on you can do some recording, you don't have the time to do all of that, then you can actually go ahead and request to promote other people's products. You can request to promote other people's products as an affiliate. Like, let me show you just that. I'm going to go to the offer section right now. So this is the offer section as an affiliate. If I click on affiliates, then offers, then it's going to bring me right here. So this is the affiliate offer section. So I can come here and request to promote this product. This is the current product that is trending right now. You can see over 3,000 sales has been sold on this product. So I can come here and request and promote this product. And when you promote this product, you earn commission. For instance, if the product is selling for $30, you can be paid 50% commission, 70% commission, 100% commission, depending on how much the vendor, the owner of the product, wants to pay per sale. So if you're able to sell 5 products, you get 50% on each sale. on each sale. So you can come over here, you click on request to promote the product. You can see any product you're interested in. You can go ahead and request to promote this product. You can see here get links. It means I've actually requested to promote this product. I have my link to promote this product, and you can see I have my link to promote this product as well. So that's how you go about making money on WarriorPlus as an affiliate, from selling your own product or promoting other people's product like this. And so if you are actually selling your own product on WarriorPlus, I think so I'm logged into my my sales dashboard area right now, as you can see. So you can see the results today, yesterday, this month, and then last month. And this is just the 6th, the 6th of August, as you can see, 6th of August. So this is exactly how your sales dashboard appears as a vendor. All your money comes in right here. And then as an affiliate, you get your earnings right here inside your wallet. Yes, inside your wallet right there. There's a wallet right here. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your earnings, whether as a vendor or as an affiliate. I'm going to share that with you later on. So that's how you get to make money on WarriorPlus as a vendor. That's as a seller on WarriorPlus. As a vendor, you sell your own products, and as an affiliate, by promoting other people's products. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you through how you can withdraw your earnings on WarriorPlus. When you sell products, how do you collect your payments? And when you promote other people's products as an affiliate, how do you receive your commissions and then withdraw your commission? That's what I'm going to share with you in the next video. So join me as I wait for you. Join me right here. I'll wait for you right in that next video.